Dolls, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments below by just simply saying, hey doll. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. In today's video, I have a hula hoop wreath that you can complete in just under 5 minutes. So stick around, give me a big thumbs up if you continue to enjoy this video, as well as subscribing if you aren't already. Alright dolls, let's get started. So for this DIY, I am using a middle-sized hula hoop from Dollar Tree. All I did was cut the film part that is on the hoop and removed it. It was actually pretty easy to remove. You open that up and then you remove all of the pebbles that are inside, close it back up, and then arrange the floral pieces that you want to use. I have not decided which ones I want to use, so I have them all laid out here, but I am going to use these greenery pieces that I picked up from Dollar Tree and Walmart. These lamb ears actually came from Walmart pre-quarantine, and I've just had them lying around. I also have these floral greenery picks that I got from Dollar Tree during spring last year, and I'm going to reuse them, but I'm going to go ahead and cut those down to get those mini lamb ears. Now, the first thing I did was try to put those lamb ears from Walmart on there with floral tape, but it just did not stay on there at all. I didn't really want to cut the stem, so I decided to wrap it around the hoop, but that just did not work either. I thought if I covered up with some of the other greenery pieces, it would work, but it didn't. So I ended up having to cut that stem off. Then I just arranged all of the greenery pieces that I did have. And this is what it looks like when it's halfway done before I put the rest of those mini lamb ears on. I went ahead and cut down the stem to just the leaves part, so that way it laid flush onto the hoop, and that way it didn't have any gaps or anything. I believe I used about 6 to 8 pieces. I think it was 8 pieces on each side of the lamb ears. And this is what it looks like when all the green pieces are on. I couldn't decide really which colorful flowers I wanted on there. I had a lot of options, but I went ahead and decided to go with this ombre pink rose, and I just hot glued it on the back after I cut it down just a bit. And voila, you have a really beautiful hula hoop wreath, or just a huge wreath. Alright dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!